Okay, we are back in the kitchen with the world's best plant-based chef on earth. In my opinion, she's incredible. You guys love her so much. 75 years young, rocking it.
And this is our up and coming.
My daughter May, they put together this dish. You guys, even though I'm raw, I had a sample. It's insane. It's so good. So we have a curry, which is created from
the seeds from the jackfruit.
Who would have thought?
And veggies, right? And so we used a little coconut cream with a little arrowroot powder for thickener, and a little water, and curry.
Okay.
And a little bit of Bragg's liquid amino. But if you're using Bragg's, you really have to be careful because Bragg's will oversalt your food so quickly. So if you are more into sea salt, then do that. Now when it comes to the seasonings, I did add a little bit of garlic powder. I didn't put fresh garlic in it. I used garlic powder. So
okay.
You want to see?
And then, okay, in case you guys are wondering, this is the main fruit from the jackfruit. I'm sure most of you guys know, one of the most delicious fruits on earth. And then we did, for the curry, a base of just simple white rice. And then just okay, let's list all the ingredients you used. Red onion.
We used
cilantro.
We used sweet peppers. We used red onion. We used cilantro. No, not cilantro. Parsley.
Parsley, sorry guys.
Basil. Oh, the shiitake mushrooms.
The shiitake mushrooms.
And the seeds. So what I've decided to do, I didn't saute any of the vegetables and everything. I actually added some extra virgin olive oil to this pan that's been preheated. And then we just tossed everything in the pan. All right, so I'm sauteing everything together. And then what I'm going to do, I'm going to take my coconut cream, put it in a blender with curry sauce. We're going to blend it up really good. I may have to add a little bit of water to that, and then we're going to dump it in here. Oh, but I'm also going to use a little arrowroot powder in the mixture, and we're going to dump it all in here, and that's going to make our vegetable curry dish. And it will be over our basmati white rice. And then we blended up our milk and everything and dumped it in, and boom.
And how much milk, arrowroot, and curry in the blender?
We only used a cup of milk, 1 can of coconut cream milk, and
1 can of coconut milk, a heaping powder.
You put a heaping tablespoon of curry and a heaping tablespoon of arrowroot.
And then we blended that. You added a little bit more curry to the pot. So you blended that, then we put that all in while it was hot on the stovetop.
Right.
And then put the in there.
Right.
What a dish.
I know, it's crazy.
So it's so easy.
Yeah. But remember now, you want to boil your seeds first because you got to peel the outer covering off the seeds. Okay, so you boil those first. And that also helps to soften the seed and makes it easier to chew.
And how do we boil those? So boil them.
I just boiled it in water. I didn't even have a lot of water. I just made sure the seeds were covered in water. And then I boiled it for about 25 minutes or so.
So you can actually chew through the seeds in this dish?
You're good. Watch.
Wow, who would ever think
so
you
let's
could
see
use
how
jackfruit
beautiful
seeds.
it looks on the plate.
Okay, this is going to be...
That is so pretty.
So delicious.
Oh, it looks so good, yeah?
Yeah, it's stunning. Good job.
Oh, it looks really good.
Wow.
I'm excited.
You are. Yay. You guys are a good little team in here.
But I got to give my high five to my girl. When I was May's age, nobody could get me in the kitchen. And I'm so impressed by this child that's just like, she cooks breakfast for them in the morning. She's just a natural chef.
She really is.
And she has knowledge of spices and herbs, and it's so good.
Okay, yeah, I tried a little bit. Even though Mariah had a taste of the curry sauce, 10 out of 10. You guys, get a jackfruit. Don't be scared to get a jackfruit. Cut it open, eat all the fruit, and then use the seeds. And then in the last video, we showed you guys how to make tacos out of the other part. So I'll put that below.
It reminds you of potatoes.
Wow. Is it good?
Sort of. Yeah, the chewiness of it kind of reminds you of potatoes.
Okay.
It's really good.
Anything else we should share about this dish? Or it's nice with the rice? Okay, good job. Way to go, guys.
Great with the rice.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Okay.
It's so good.
Yeah, I think we let them know everything, how to do it, right? Okay, hopefully you guys understand. If
What
not,
about me?
Oh, you too, boo-boo.
hopefully you guys make this. It smells delicious. It is delicious. So another great one by Chef Babette. Thank you for sharing. Yay. And I will put on the screen right now another one of her incredible recipes we did and her What I Eat in a Day. Go watch those. We'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.
Bye.